Third-party emulators handheld are not that uncommon these days. If you want to play some old titles from GBA, GBC, PSP, etc. on one device, they are the way to go. Today we have two such handhelds. They are the Aya Neo Pocket DMG and the Anbernic RG353V. Both are popular and have a decent-sized fan base. And today, we will be doing a thorough comparison between these two to find out who did it better. Let's find out. Firstly, let's talk about the build of these two. The Pocket DMG has a good finish, blending modern materials with a retro-inspired form. Its weight of 273 grams feels a little heavy yet comfortable for prolonged use, while its build quality makes it seem durable. The RG353V, on the other hand, offers a grainy texture that feels solid in hand. At just 193 grams, it's lighter and easy to carry, though it lacks the polished build of Aya Neo. The difference in build becomes clear when holding both. While the RG353V feels like something mass-produced, the Pocket DMG feels like it was made with more attention to detail. The vertical orientation of both consoles screams iconic Game Boy, but their approaches are different. The Pocket DMG's tactile hall-sensing joystick and oversized conductive D-pad provide a precise and satisfying input, ideal for quick reflexes in platformers or fighting games. The left-side touchpad, acting as a right stick or mouse, adds modern versatility, but might confuse some traditional gamers. The RG353V sticks to familiar button layouts with responsive low-profile analog sticks and an intuitive design. However, its compact size can make prolonged play cramped, especially when using both analog sticks simultaneously. The Pocket DMG's 3.92-inch OLED display looks really good, delivering razor-sharp 1240 by 1080 resolution with deep blacks and vivid colors. Retro games pop with stunning clarity, but some may find the brightness and fidelity almost too modern for pixel art nostalgia. In contrast, the RG353V's 3.5-inch IPS screen with a 4:3 aspect ratio hits closer to the retro aesthetic, providing a slightly washed-out yet authentic look. Though less vibrant, it feels like a trip down memory lane. The Pocket DMG running Android 13 with Aya Space offers quite a lot. Its built-in emulation front end makes game management seamless, and customizable settings cater to every gamer's preference. The performance is stellar across emulators, handling PS2 and GameCube titles with only minor tweaks. Meanwhile, the RG353V's Batacera Linux is simpler but less versatile, especially in its stock configuration. Just enough firmware improves compatibility and performance, but you need to fiddle with some settings to unlock its full potential. The Android Dual Boot option adds some modern functionality, though it's less polished than Aya Neo's implementation. Under the hood, the Pocket DMG flexes its Snapdragon G 3X Gen 2 processor, delivering unparalleled emulation capabilities. Even demanding titles like God of War or Super Smash Bros. Melee run smoothly. The active cooling system ensures consistent performance during long sessions. The RG353V, with its RK3566 chipset, excels in 16-bit and early 3D games, but struggles with later systems like PSP or Dreamcast. While adequate for casual retro gaming, it lacks the horsepower for seamless emulation of newer consoles. The 6,000 mAh battery in the Pocket DMG lasts impressively long, easily powering several hours of intense gameplay. Turbo mode lets us squeeze out more juice when needed. In comparison, the RG353V's 3,200 mAh battery falls short, lasting roughly 3 to 6 hours depending on usage. Though sufficient for casual gaming, it feels less reliable for extended trips. At $420.95, the Pocket DMG has a hefty price tag, but offers a good build, great performance, and polished software experience. The RG353V, priced at a more wallet-friendly $120.99, offers excellent value for those focused on retro gaming without venturing into high-performance territory. However, the added cost of accessories or firmware tweaks can narrow the gap. While both devices excel in specific areas, the Aya Neo Pocket DMG takes the crown for its all-around premium experience. Its OLED screen, advanced processor, and ergonomic controls turned even demanding games run smooth. It's a perfect device for those who want to enjoy both retro and modern titles without compromise. However, its huge price tag and occasional over-polished feel might deter those who crave authentic retro vibes. The Anbernic RG353V, on the other hand, is a no-frills champion. It's perfect for people who prioritize affordability and authenticity over cutting-edge tech. It's not without its flaws: cramped ergonomics, limited performance on demanding titles, and a mono speaker hold it back. But for the price, it offers incredible value. Ultimately, if you're a casual retro gamer looking for an affordable pick-up-and-play device, the RG353V delivers. However, if you're after the best of both worlds, retro fidelity with modern performance, the Pocket DMG wins easy.